Okay, today we're going to set up our Google site. You notice first thing I do is I go to Gmail, and right here, since I'm using Google Apps, and you can tell because it's got the NC State University logo right here, Sites is right here. So I click on Sites, and it brings up the My Sites page. Today what we're going to do is we're going to create a new site, and it brings up, and I'm going to call it initials_ECI. That way you know it's my ECI website. And, not going to use a template. Templates have a lot of different things in them that require configuration. We're not going to worry about that right now, but I can choose a theme. The theme I'll choose is Leather Panel. Now you notice nothing changed except that right here it says currently using Leather Panel. Something to note, when I name my site up here, I could do Jonathan's ECI, and then it changes down here. But I want this to be JSL ECI, so I set that to be that. Make sense? Good. So the name of the site and the URL can be connected, but they don't have to be connected. So I scroll down under More Options, Site Categories, and this is just whatever. What I want to do is let anybody in the world, I want to make this site public so that anybody can see it. I could set it to be only people I specify can view the site, then I could invite people to see it. But I'm going to allow everybody at North Carolina State University as well as anybody in the world to see this. So you don't have to log in to see the site. That allows me to use it in school with students and so on and so forth. So here's my site. I like the theme well enough. Now there's two things that I can do. I've got a home page with nothing on it, so I can click Edit, and then it's just like a word processor. There you go, a little bit of content. The Save button is right up here. I click Save. The other thing I can do is create a page. Now there are four kinds of page. There's your basic web page, which is what we were just doing. Announcements is a list of just things. It looks almost like a Twitter feed, if you will. File cabinet is a place where you can upload and store files for others to download. A list is just that. You can use it for tracking jobs or ideas or tasks or whatever you want. And then a start page is kind of like an iGoogle start page. You can do whatever you want. This name is going to be test page for now, and I want to put it at the top level. You don't necessarily want to use this option very much. The next lesson will show you kind of how you would do that. So create the page, and then it takes you straight to the page editing. Right there. Now you notice when you click insert, you can insert images, links, table of contents, subpage listing, horizontal rule, AdSense, calendar, document. Now these calendars, documents, maps, and different things are straight out of your Google set of things to do. Whoops. And then you could also add recent posts, updates, and more gadgets, so on and so forth. We'll talk more about adding things later, but for now realize that if you have a Google document, you can embed it right into your Google site without any difficulty. So I'm just going to say nothing here, and click Save, and there you go.